Hey, Jason Wood here, the VA Loan Guy, with another episode of the Tactical Tuesday VA Loan Update. Today we're going to talk about non-borrowing spouse income on a VA loan. Now, a lot of people don't know about this, but there are 9 states in the United States that are community property states. So the law in those states says that anybody who is married is a 50-50 owner in everything, including debt, assets, the whole kit and caboodle. So when you're applying for a government loan, a VA loan in this case, and you're in a community property state, buying in a community property state, then what we have to do on the loan side is we have to pull the credit of both spouses. Even, let's say, if one spouse has poor credit rating, we still have to pull it and include the debts of the spouse because it's a community property state. So as a married couple, you own that other person's debt on top of your own debt, and we have to factor that in for debt ratios. But a really cool trick with the VA loan, and it's unique to the VA loan, is in a scenario, let's say, where one spouse has a poor credit rating, but they have a job and they generate income for the household. We can pull their debts in onto the loan application, and we can use that spouse's income to offset their debts, their own personal debts. So I'll give you an example. Let's say we have a husband and wife. Let's say the wife's credit score rating is too low, but she has a car loan in her name only, and let's say a credit card in her name only. They're not joint accounts. So we pull those in and we have those debts. Well, as long as her job income produces enough to cover the payments of that car payment and the credit card, we can offset those debts, essentially eliminate the debt payment from hitting the debt ratio. Now, we can't use the overage. So let's say she makes 3 times that amount of money. We can only use enough to offset those debts so it doesn't impact the debt ratio. But it's a really cool trick, only available with the VA loan. So if you have more questions or would like to talk about this further, you can reach out to me, Jason Wood, the VA Loan Guy, at valoanguy.us. Thanks.